In this video, I'm going to show you a scapular strengthening, scapular activation drill that you can use to help strengthen the control around your shoulder blade area. These are known as your YTWs, but there's other letter formations that you may find also. But I'm focusing on these three as they cover a nice range through the movements that you would move. So to begin with, you'll want to set yourself, so if you imagine your shoulder blades as upside down triangles on your back, the pointy bits you'll want to be sort of holding against your ribs, so that it's that upright, but we're not arching in the back stays neutral, it's just trying to pull those pointy bits of the shoulder blades and that inferior angle of your scapula and holding that against your ribs. So that's your starting point. And then for the Y position, we're taking the arms up overhead and you're imagining these pointy bits of your shoulder blades are pushing out towards your armpit. So we're bringing that movement of the shoulders up and out, lifting up overhead to make the Y. And then we're bringing the arms down to the side, out to your sides, in to make that T shape. These pointy bits of your shoulder blades are now pulling in towards your spine. So you're now trying to imagine drawing them down towards your spine for the T, holding here. And then for W, we're bringing those elbows into the side. So we're squeezing those shoulder blades together, imagining those pointy bits of your shoulder blades pulling in towards that spine to create that W. And then we're going through the movements again. You're lifting up, pushing the shoulder blades up and out towards the armpit for the Y, squeezing down to make the T, pulling in for W. And then you should feel this around that sort of base of the shoulder blade, around where that inferior angle is of your scapula, so around those pointy bits of the triangles on your back. And it's a good way of learning to control that shoulder blade movement, particularly if you find that you're rolling around in the chest area. If you get a lot of discomfort and pain in the upper part of the shoulder, in that upper back, you might find this is a helpful drill. Any further advice around the scapular control, feel free to pop us an email or pop an appointment in to come and see us in clinic.